Today I'm reviewing the Peach and Lily Power Cocktail Lactic Acid Repair Serum. And really quick, I just want to say, I purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsor ads or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, check out my Patreon community, or click on the link below. Okay, I was very excited. I'm always excited for a new Peach and Lily or a Peach Slices release. I'm always excited about it because they're always something new. They're usually good products, usually fragrance-free, so... although kind of pricey, but I always get very excited for them. So, okay, so they say Peach and Lily's Power Cocktail Lactic Acid Repair Serum combines 10% lactic acid with 12 natural extracts to resurface and reveal youthful glowing skin. So, although I will say, I was at the DMV the other day, and now even just, I'm always crooked, but they had me retake my picture like 7 times because my head was crooked in every single one of them. And I'm like, it's always crooked. My ears are crooked. My head's crooked. My back is crooked. My neck's crooked. Everything's crooked about me, but whatever. So there we go. Okay, packaging. No issues with packaging. Fun packaging. Glass bottle. Nice pump on it. No issues at all with the packaging. Very good. Fun. Easy to find in my cabinet packaging. That's always a good thing. It's not just a black and white dropper bottle. It's going to take me at least 20 minutes to find you in my cabinet because it's full of stuff. And that's no joke, but we don't talk about this in front of cameraman, so. Okay, in terms of denatured drain types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those. It's also fragrance-free and has no real scent to it. The manufacturing location is Korea, so no issues with that. So let's do a quick pH test just to let everyone know lactic acid is the second ingredient. So typically, when the pH is lower than 4, it's going to function the best in terms of exfoliation. Okay, so it looks like it's probably just a notch below 4, which is good for lactic acid. It functions better when the pH is lower. It absorbs better and works better. If the pH is too high, it absorbs in the skin but doesn't do much actual exfoliation. So very easy to use. Smooth it over your skin. I use this one in my evening routine. I just prefer not to use exfoliants in my daytime routine, but certainly whatever you prefer, but be sure to use sunscreen during the daytime if you use this one. I mean, you should be using one anyway because it's the only real anti-aging product that exists, but especially with lactic acid, it kind of smooths out your skin and kind of retexturizes it, removes dead skin cells, and then that first fresh layer of skin is very fresh, so it's more prone to sunburn, so be sure to do that. So you can use it after cleansing, toning, essences, apply it, then I'd give it a few minutes to absorb and then apply your moisturizers and things like that, or evening mask. I typically use this every other night. I alternate it with the nights I use my retinol product. So very easy to use, layers well with other products, no issues at all, very pleasant to use. So not super thick, sets to just kind of just a nice natural finish. So very easy to use, no issues at all with that. So let's talk about the ingredients. So we've got 10% lactic acid, and this percentage is going to be key because studies have shown that AHAs, typically lactic acid, glycolic acid, if the percentage of them is 10% or higher, you get a bonus effect, which is helping with collagen production in your skin. If it's under 10%, not getting that extra bonus effect. So you're still getting the smoother skin, taking off dead skin cells, but you're also getting firming of the skin. So it also has hydration properties in amounts of 10% or higher. These are just, I mean, 9%, you're probably getting some of this, but 10% is what is studied and shown and proven. So that is key. It's also key to the pH, and we got that. So they did good on that. Okay, then we've got Jania Rubens extract, which is a red algae that provides protection and hydration. We've got ginseng, which is amazing antioxidant as well as emollient ingredient. We've got ceramide and P, skin identical ingredient. We've got tsubaki extract, which is an antioxidant skin protecting ingredient that fights off free radicals and also has skin soothing properties. We've got green tea, antioxidant, skin conditioning, and skin soothing ingredient. We've got mistletoe extract, which is has some skin soothing benefits as well as some anti-aging benefits, actually, which I didn't really realize mistletoe was so good for your skin. Then we've got Lactobacillus soybean ferment, skin conditioning ingredient. We've got Saccharomyces, Imperata, Cylindrica root ferment extract, which is an emollient. We've got Saccharomyces rice ferment extract, skin conditioning and hydrating ingredient, helps with skin elasticity. We've got xylitol, which is a sugar-based humectant ingredient. We've got polyglutamic acid, a humectant. We've got hyaluronic acid, because it's in everything. Of course, it's a humectant. Then we've also got, bonus, we've got hydrolyzed sodium hyaluronate, hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, sodium hyaluronic cross polymer. Yay, we've got all of them. They're humectants. It's not that exciting. Whatever. Then we've got ginkgo biloba, antioxidant. It actually contains flavonoids, quercetin and camphorol. Then we've got Phonellus lenteus extract, which is a mushroom extract, which has skin conditioning properties. We've got silver ear mushroom, which has nice humectant properties. We've got mulberry extract, which is great for skin brightening. We've got acetohexapeptide 8. We've got copper tripeptide. We've got palmitoyl pentapeptide, oligopeptide 1, oligopeptide 2. These are all peptides, cell-communicating ingredients, and the copper peptide has soothing and antioxidant properties. So really nice ingredient list. Great percentages, great pH. It's effective, well-formulated. There we go. It doesn't leave your skin feeling dry like a lot of exfoliants can be very dry, and this one does not have that. Okay, in terms of animal testing, it's gluten-free, it's vegan, and it's cruelty-free. So we've got the cruelty-free trifecta going. In terms of performance, we've got the trifecta. Although, cameraman, when we're cooking, you always, what's the trifecta? Olive oil, onions? No. What is the trifecta?
Onions, green pepper, and celery.
Oh, I always thought it was...
The trilogy.
The trilogy, the Trinity. Trinity. Okay. I always thought it was olive oil, onions, and garlic, but whatever. I'm just the head chef. He's the master chef. Actually, he's usually my sous chef, but whatever. Okay, in terms of performance, really wonderful. Great exfoliant for especially sensitive skin types, dry skin types, and also acne-prone skin. There are no ingredients of issue for acne-prone skin, unless you're sensitive to sodium hyaluronic. But otherwise, wonderful. Love this. Softer skin. No real side effects with dryness, patchiness, anything like that. It is wonderful. I will say it is a close dupe alternative to the Proteini resurfacing serum. So, and this one's a little bit more affordable. So if you're thinking about picking this one up, maybe I should do a versus of these two. I think that would be interesting to do. But the peach and lily is very similar, especially in terms of the active ingredient lactic acid. In terms of the price, this is a full size 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, retails for $45. It is pricey. A little bit of it goes a long way. However, if you're looking for a very affordable lactic acid product, the ordinary lactic acid 10% plus HA is also going to be a good alternative. Doesn't contain some of those exciting ingredients, peptides, the ferments, things like that, but it's more affordable and you get the similar effect in the 10% lactic acid. Okay, then in terms of the it factor, very nice product. Going to work well for most skin types. Sensitive skin, dry skin, oily skin, acne-prone skin. It's going to work well for all of those. It's fragrance-free, which makes it wonderful for a lot of people. 10% lactic acid at the proper pH. Cruelty-free. Loving it. So, everything about this is wonderful. It is pricey. So, with a 10 being a perfect score, this one gets a 9. And... well worth a try for a lot of people. So, interested in hearing from you guys if you've had a chance to check this out yet or not. And if you have what your thoughts are, so definitely leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys. And stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.